Guys, join me, we'll finish the video, okay? My phone just overheat. He said, "Cannot what do you? You overheat. I don't what do you? Make a quick share. Make a this one. I'm not going to share for all my page. Join, guys. Join the video. Me will talk and finish as the hot. Join the video. May we talk and finish at the as the hot. Let me expose some things to you. There are things you need to know. There are things you need to know, my amazing people. I want to manage this video because I don't put any picture. I'm using my iPhone. I don't know what is the problem. And before they use me, not be me, they use me. Now before they use me, I'll make the iPhone. Share the video. Hey, they play the show. My people, I want to pass a strong advice to both presenters and who no be presenter. I want to tell you the secret of Edo cyberspace. I want to tell you the secret of a lot of things. So join and share the video. As I was saying just now, let me continue my video before my Android phone overheat and off. The phone overheat inside car and I no say, can you say I know I forget her phone? Where this is come here? Make I bring her on here. May I carry? Share the video, my amazing people. More than me, they share. So you are joining, share the video. God bless you. Make I put the Wi-Fi for them. Una they get me. You see this Edo cyberspace. One of the things you must know about us, all of us. If person offend you, all right? If person do you bad thing, if person oppress you, you have every right to voice out your anger, okay? You have every right to voice out your anger. If they say that thing when you they do so, you deceive you. Once they say you deceive you from those things, say people they watch you, they will start to display things where no make sense. They will start to tell you to say, where you say they fight for that person. No, they steal the views. They are stealing the views. They want to use the views for their own page. A lot of them are selfish. If they carry people matter, say person you offend them, they fight. You as a responsible normal person, you no go meet, they say, Igbinana we say, wewe muyoto, you no go they use live video, they disturb them. You no go they use live video, they tell them. You understand? Now they see the difference. Because you yourself, you know that they are building their self and their page with those things they are doing. Not be everybody they do that kind of thing. Anybody where they jump from topic to topic, you just say get what they talk. You not get anything where they talk. They are building their like Monica now. Anything Monica is after is to build a page, thief people fast and views to say pay base where she dey go. Now the only thing where matter to that one. Now the only thing where matter to that one. So there are a lot of them like that. But when you be say you dare your own person go find your trouble, you decide to say, okay, this person go find my trouble, let me voice out. You go see how they go gather you. They go make sure say they remove that word from your mouth. May you not they talk come again. Say no to injustice of person you offend me, you not go agree make I talk. Say no to person do me something, you not go agree make I talk. Because I must talk. Yes. So go come do the thing. You come be like say now you with the get quarrel. Now lie yo. Now that views they define. That views where you they see so now they want collect. Now they get me so. So that's what that. And if you be blogger, you be presenter. When you are treating topic, when you date issues, don't let anybody tell you to quit. Because when you quit, you are quitting your destiny. When you quit, you are quitting your page. When you quit, you are bringing yourself down. You are giving the opportunity to ride over you. When you quit, you are quitting for nothing. Yes. Because even you, where they go say make you quit, you go quit. Who say make you quit, no go quit? Why? Because he or she is benefiting from the views. He or she is benefiting from the phone calls inside her house that they call some of them, they give them money. They there, they sleep. Just they play. Just they play for social media. When you stand your ground to the last. Do things with your heart. Now, some me tell they do something. Anything where my mind tell me say do, now they do. I know they look person face. I know they look anybody face. Nobody carry me con Europe. I don't carry person con Europe. Everybody daily. Everybody care like. Get me, my people. Please thumbs up, okay? Mona me the thumbs up and share so that other people will know say we day life. So guys, one thing when me no understand. Thank you, Sans. One thing when me no understand. Waiting Esther they find for air word body. Waiting Esther they find for air word body. My lady, Mama Chelsea say, when blessing matter happen, nobody verse say they join different side. So why will they verse now? Now be the thing now, my people. This is what I'm saying. This is what I am saying. If matter dey social media, everybody get right to face where he face. Even that blessed see you matter where you talk now. I know how many insults Kunrita collect for a lot of presenter hands, for presenter hand. Even me. Because many of them come they swear. Anybody where they support blessing for this matter. Anybody, why will you swear that? Everybody must not support where you they support. Okay, let's assume now say, okay, as this say no to Europe tour start now. Some people they say may Europe tour continue. Some people they say may Europe tour stop. Will I come out now to say people where they talk say may Europe tour may Europe tour continue? Make I they swear for them? No. No, everybody have right to their opinion. Understanding matters a lot. People should learn to understand issues. People must not always support you. Face where you face. Go your direction, no problem. But you not saying, anybody where they support this one, you they swear for them. You are inviting those people to also come and be swearing for anybody where they say Europe storm must continue. And when we start to do that now, you come begin to challenge. Before you know, Sandra don't start. Before you know, hey, come and see you. This one say, oh, that one say, oh, you go enter the case. People don't know how to control themselves. People don't know how they don't know how to exhibit good character outside. People don't know how to carry themselves. People don't know how to do things right. You know, they get me. People don't know how to do things right. And if you look this, I know say people whether they swear for though. People whether they swear for, whether they talk say, oh, Europe tour must continue. Europe tour must continue. I hope say not be waiting I they think. I just hope say not be waiting I they think. May you be saying that the way just like you know as they tell they do and so maybe like because I don't want it to be like as we they tell Esther Izobo now say no to Esther Izobo Europe tour. It they vex some people. I don't want here say anybody they vex because when Esther come outside come insult our generation. I don't see video where that person do test and say this thing you did is wrong. Come and apologize. Esther came out on national TV to say all Europe people they smell for train station. You did not come to talk about it. You did not tell Esther this thing you did is wrong. The fight you are fighting for Esther is it real? No. You are using her to build your page. You are using her to gain engagement. You are using her to gain visibility. So you have no right to tell people how they will voice out their anger. The one where Esther posts now, where nobody don't see, where they don't know anything where they wrong with them, where they feel said nothing they happen, Esther can just come on media to mess. If she mess finish, misbehave finish, she go still go inside. People go see the clap for her and say, oh, Esther, hey, Esther. Me, I not be that type of. I not be the type of where they call presenter say or I will come they call blogger say la go dori cover me dori ekpini me you know they any blogger any presenter when you know say since I've been on this media I don't ever call you say do go le 20 naira de meva do go le 30 naira de meva. Please don't pity me, come and post it. Man, don't pity me, come and post it. Now see what Esther go post about her word here. All right, see what she go post. And this, even if I show now, I know go 50. You see it. You see now this thing now they read for now just now. This thing now they read for now just now. Now Esther poster. So may I read and finish, my people. It said the hair now fake. Waiting concern my bekus. She make it come they pay me. Now me get the hair. He said, now me get the hair. Una the only spoil business for una favorite hand. Waiting be my own inside. Not be say una get money to even buy the hair. If not, the one where she get full her shop, she for don't sell and finish. Or she for don't sell and since. She for no need my help to help her do her business. Una de hear? Una de hear when Esther now they talk say, I wish a word they say her. I wish people they patronize a word. A word for no need our help to take say her. And she come out publicly to tell the world, say that her husband now give her hair to say. She come outside to tell the world, tell everybody, say that her husband now give her hair to say. Why not dragging a word? Why not saying that now a word give you hair to say? Do you guys know that Esther have been insulting a word fans for like 4 days now? Do you know that Esther have been insulting a word fans since 4 days now? I think it's our time a word come outside to appreciate our fans more. A word, saga. If you come outside, just celebrate yourself and also appreciate your customers. Also waiting, appreciate your customers. Because the last time I checked, when you go Vietnam that day, it never even reach 4 months when you go Vietnam. When you go use carton, take pack hair, come Nigeria. If to say you not sell those hair, you for no go back now to Vietnam, go sell hair. We know how many times you for our present package hair, we see all the cartons. We see all your bag, your brand bag. We see her for grand where you arrange her food, your store, where hair they inside. Where they wrap on, they go area. They wrap on, they go different place. We saw it. We patronize you. A lot of people patronize you. And we know that people do patronize you. Because if people know they patronize you, your business for not stand for almost 30 years now. Your business for no stand for almost 30 years now. Now, Esther, they mock her word, say she no say her. She say nobody follow her word by her. Say, if to say people follow her word by her word for not beg her to help and say her. Meanwhile, she talking for live video, say, now her husband tell her, say, she follow her word, go buy her for Vietnam. She saw the hair that it was cheap, and he decided to buy for his own self. Now the man get the one where they say, I wish sure that man self, when I know say that man too like money, the man go buy cheaper hair for his own self, give her make she they say, because if you even look at, Her own price where she carry come out that day where she tell they sell those ogbele head. That was even why people said the hair was fake. Because Edward hair is expensive. Everybody know. Original thing costs. Original thing costs. A lot of people, they follow Edward by senators, they patronize Edward. Governor's wife, they patronize Edward. Royal people wife, they patronize Edward. Big men wife, they patronize Edward. Even big men children, they patronize Edward. Even poor man children, say they patronize Edward. That she gets according to your size. Now they hear me. Waiting go make Esther go drop this post. They say the hair are fake. The hair are fake. Now una favorite they say fake hair. If to say she even they sell the hair, why the hair go still dey store? Why she never sell and finish? Why una never go buy the hair finish? That one are waiting second wife, they tell second wife. If to say na me be here what they ni agbesai. Ah, ijene. A destiny agwan, Ijiri ballet if you one side. Ijiri ballet corner of house, corner of bed. Ijiri ballet you are. Who ni agbesai. Ote ya fiyan woman. De bed you any no coming. With a big time. You never know me. Who ni agbe hospital man yori. Nyega be yore vani o yore be bed vani ona decide o ye mado. They mado nyoe. But ni agbewe. Anyway, yeah, you know where it. And we not coming again can't wait. The reason why Esther is pained because Edward refused to do friendship with Esther. Because the friendship where Esther be carried go meet Edward is not a real friendship. It's not a genuine friendship. It was to pay Edward evil. She be one go record and down one till they eat, till they live, till they breathe. Now she be one go record. Only now the boundary they war na the that man give her long boundaries. Share the video, my people. More than me share. Let other people know that we are here. She wanted Edward to open her belly for her. No ni alele do o teveno o seveno o yagomeno. But Edward was smart to know that once a snitch is always a snitch. Edward did not fear for why you cannot belong to that. Esther local. Go see Edward friends now. Classic women, classic people, women with doings. Women with doings. Esther, why are you pained? Why you they tell us say una favorite? Una favorite. Why wujina? Do you know why the Edward become our favorite? Because even as we don't drag the marriage, she have never for once come to say, Wanirewe bo wazwo, Wanirewe bo gbemagbanuwa, Wanirewe bo wahwe, Wanirewe bo white dress. She have never for once come to say it. She has never for once come to say it. If she come out, walao, wa mwezo fwa, walao, amyo mana imine questa, the folly star, okonowa, a girlfriend o sano ma sewi. Amyo mana imine nekwe. Esti zobo. Esther is zobo. You are pained because of the love where people they show Edward. And this is just the beginning. And they always tell you one thing, say, the day you go push Edward to come outside, come cry, come talk with you, she they pass through for your hand. That day, everywhere go Casablanca. Over your country. You see that day, so everywhere go Casablanca. You go no say Edinati Baba, Ediati. You go feel her. You go test her. You go notice her. Say, Edi wajia. Uni me we no do display we. You have a bad character. A bad character. Ewe. Masokpa seva when I get away ye 40. Eru oboru owe. Eru oboru owe. Egbagbon ma oho. Egbe makwe egban we. But you know the lay person the hear word. You know the lay person see road. You always shooking yourself on people's eyes. Ne popularity bo ohun. Shebi you say if there is a sad guy you go popular. Shebi now you don't popular for bad thing. Shebi you don't popular now for bad thing. Shame let you show your face again. No go waragun. Shame let you show your face again. Yo, shame and disgrace popularity now you can get. Go see your YouTube now since yesterday they fire and bomber to bomber. Go and see your YouTube yesterday now. They fire and bomber to bomber. Wow, this one is just the beginning. You go end up in a Kiosa market. He gave your hand go meet you, Rishos. Now friends will start to run from you. All of them now will come begin, they call presenters. They bring out your information. All of them will start to they bring out your information. If you meet see, as you tell they borrow their money, as you tell they hold their money, all of them will start to come outside to disguagua you, to pay back their money. They will start to drag you to pay back their money. Done. Now you be the real replicant of a no fair former tia your one gateway. Yes. Now you that be the real replicant of a no fair name in your former tia your one gateway. A don't know. Always looking for one way or the other to drag a word. Make I read what she write finish. My people, make I read and finish. Where I for stop, your say, okay, why she never say land since. Okay, it say she for no need my help to help her to do business. Make una put this energy into supporting her business so she go they see her money instead of pouring more money into a business that bring back zero income. Where Esther go they say a word they pour her money into business where they bring out zero income. Esther, which right you get to tell the how you tell no say what business no they bring income come. She get branch for Lagos. She get for Benin. Business not be money, not be as gain they come out that they put. Oh, you want make she shop all the air. What get money pass you. Esther, if you don't know, make you know. What get money pass you. What whole cash pass you. You know a cows fake life. Now you live. A no fair former. A no fair former. Tia your ma get be done babe. Aze. Unwe word or how much to boy. Once my phone where the hot just once you don't go, I'll come see do this. I'll come post. I'll come put this your write up now. I'll come go and join your head. Agbowe we have bawe. Evnu gwalo we gbe word to ham you. And every word is the beginning of your downfall. Ona enu kawu. Evnu enu dota. Now so if I come at that time, if I open this my mouth, if I open this my mouth, wait till I go talk, wait till I go do it. Who cares? Them no daughter na my kai home. Them no daughter. Them no daughter na my kai home. Thumbs up the video, my people. Make I read that continuously. She said, where do we stop yours now? Okay, zero income. Okay. Even they say, he said foolish supporters. She they insult Edward fans. And Edward has never come outside to insult Esther. This post was dropped yesterday. Before she run, go delete and people don't screenshot her. She post this one for story. Before she go delete and people don't snap her. She say word supporters are stupid supporters. Let me see if una feel read small or make una screenshot her. Make una go read her. Una see her. See where she put her. See her. She say foolish supporters. You see Esther? See her. People that want to read it, mona screenshot her. They gonna go read her. See her. He say, look, it was posted by her. You see a rotty platform for this. See her platform. This where kokolo come where they go koko see her. Nine they take poster. You see? This one not be say queen they talk with Esther not do. Now waiting she do. Now we they talk. Now waiting she do. Now we they talk. It's a me way joy one key. As soon as they downgrade the even myself can't they see amo. That hair not be Vietnam, not be Vietnam. Then for buy amo, the hair just stiff like the hair where they my bekus. Una they see what you and sister they talk. See, Esther spoiling word business publicly. Let me drag it for you people to see. You see? He says, yeah, I can show una way. Una they see. Are you seeing it, my people? Don't worry, I will post it. I'm going to post it. I'm going to post it. Esther said the hair, where what they said, not be Vietnam hair. Una they see human be for this life, say a life in a balance. Una, I know so many of you never see her, because yesterday night, I told you I delete it. You don't go delete her. You don't know, say people don't already screenshot her. Una see and say the pain in Esther is real. Hey, what you need to come and beat this girl that is, you need to come and beat her to her. That is no war for her. You cannot belong. Hey, what the war Esther you cannot belong. Hey, what the best stuff you cannot belong. Esther must say. Or Franha for Nigeria there. Nu ya san bolegboa. Nu ya san gba ogbe iwe. A boy there, nobody go ask you. You senior her for the house. You senior her for the marriage. You senior her for everything. But she trying to bring you down. And since you no can know what you they do, it's unacceptable. It's unacceptable. People will still clap hand for her now. Esther saying, a word here is not from Vietnam. What does that mean? Una no see video where Edward do, where she arrived Vietnam. Una no see video where Edward do, where she arrived Vietnam. Una no see the videos. All the store where she they go. And she they use back, they go all small village, big factory, everywhere, produce her hair by herself, everything they organize her. Una no see her. Why Esther will come to spoil this woman hair? She posted this thing, I think, around 2 or 12 yesterday night. Now Esther post this post. Now Esther post this post. Why is Esther bent to destroy Edward enemy? Why is Esther so focused on Edward business? Why is Esther insulting Edward supporters? Evi no man here. Okonodova buwa. Or do I want they care the ancestor? Oh no, Becky, what to bo. Na see wait to beg me, not boy. You where you go allow your husband to marry as he likes, say because of say my husband can do anything, he can marry wherever he wants. Some of them they do, he can marry wherever he wants. I will not support my husband. Now they see and I say some women are wolves. They not be wife, they be wolves. If Esther can be bringing out her marital issues on public, even say she go carry bola de knack, smoke bola de knack, just the wait, e no go to take. Esther will come outside and beat destiny to stupor. Don't be surprised say she not go Nigeria again. No. Don't be surprised say na Aduro she come shop now for UK. And let me quickly add this one. Show promoters, don't carry Esther for your show. There are millions of musicians out there. We have great musicians in Edo State. You are free to pick any of your choice, but not Esther. I repeat, show promoter out there. You are free to pick any other musicians for your show. People will come, you go full, you go suburban. But you see, when you carry Esther, your show will end up being a free show. Guys, I'm not seeing comments. I don't know what is going on. Your show will become free show. Your show will become free show. Do they hear me so? Are you hearing me? Don't carry her. Because she's not only insulting Europe women, she's insulting all first wife. Wait, don't first suffer, follow me. Now she they insult, because now where you insult one, now you insult the others. If there is any first wife out there where their husband come marry, join, you all need to gather together to fight Esther to stupor. Because this thing that she's doing, she dey spoil una second. She dey spoil them. She's teaching them now how to fight the first wife to come. Esther really thought she would be able to chase Edward out of the marriage due to waiting she and her husband discussed for his house. But the whole thing is not working for her. The whole thing is not working for her. And she's so pained. She's so pained. The thing they pay her. Or baloy. Now she don't care anymore. She know that she will leave that marriage. But before she go, she want to destroy everything. And who be Esther, the falling star, to destroy anything? She not go fit destroy anything again. She not go fit destroy anything again. Because it is too late. Okuta kakano vekeri. A word of Yokutani. Estake domialadia wobo. Esther, everything you plan against a word business. Why am I? Why am I? Watch and see. So my people, let me quickly leave this video here. I will be posting the write-up I just read. I'll be posting it for you guys to see. Share it. And for those other presenters that is doing justice, whatever, let me stop, let me continue. I know, for me and my people, we not talk say Europe tour must stop. Okay? But we are standing to say Esther Europe tour must stop. Even playing in Africa must stop until she come out to apologize to the innocent Euro people. She have been dragging and tarnishing their names. Enough is enough. Esther Pake can all who am a. And if you say we don't have right to voice out our anger, wa gbeo, wa gbolokoshi, wa yoyo wawagun, wa owa, you don't have right to tell us. First of all, what they phone him. Secondly, ufidima. Thirdly, uma negboe. Because why negboe? To anybody that will say, oh, why did they say make Esther stop Europe tour? Why they say Esther must stop Europe tour? Maman aburo, manivia weboya, maman aburo. Ila lobo voyage, why so? Because they too why benefit you besta. Why la diando a support he? Be obey me no mama no una. When he drag what you know what boyo. Me me waropa no la diando ta we are. We good drag word, we good drag word. Kwa my meti edo tie. Why? Because Esther Nana una favorite. Because she's supporting you guys. Una they benefit from her. Why I benefit from her? Me. That has nothing to do with me and my household. Esther, oh fiawu, ogun agbe train track. For all I care. For all I care. Alright? But you see every other musician, people like Aproko, others, Stadio, Yona, they are welcome to Europe. Let them do their tour. I don't have issue with them. Why can I carry must stop your Europe tour? No. But Esther Europe tour must stop. And we stand by it. My why? My way rabbi wije. Abai wiye. Ofen Esther. Already as no work besoe. Imagine boy your way off for me tell. No that. Okay, swanty or yava or me mava. Or me mava. So I will see you guys maybe shortly or anytime. May follow Facebook Randy. May follow Facebook Rand. Make I go find something. I go live na rio. Even your way ni au buy. Even your way ni au buy. Even your way ni au buy. Wa work okay you go give una no more. Why you ya ode? Why do what saburu we meje? Even saburu. E comment if it ni apa camp ready pan. I pay my bills. I take care of my things. I mean, when I think when you my own age mate, people will come the same time I want to take on. And now I care. Where this one. Okay, that's where this balance. Where's the balance? It's where balance is built. I can't give avec qui me va. Mais ma yeru wa so. Year to year, font page. Year to year, font page. Year to year, font page. No improvement. God forbid. God forbid. Be the presenter, not hold your leg. May you not explore yourself. May you not grow. Make you not work on your personal future. Even if I stop live video today, I will even be more focused on my personal life. Even as I see they do live video, I still they focus on my personal life. I don't go do my today appointment every time. I don't sort them out. Finish just now. And I pay some bills. Pay some bills, light bill, whatever bills, I pay, finish. You see, don't do all my things. Send what I want send for person. Do what I want to do. Okay, I don't enter inside my house. As I did this house now, yes. If I finish that video, I do calls, I do everything, I do what I want to do. You see, now life when I arrange for granted. Why me ya giemenia? Some go say, I'm on your door, although it's not achievement. What need to saga Esther? Yes, now thank you, Mama. Oh, Nana, I can't see comments. Oh, my amazing people, Mama Esther, thanks for joining. Diamond God, I cite you. Joe Sass, I cite you. Thanks for joining, my amazing people. Nana, I can't see comment. More no verse. My network was, yeah, for I don't know people where they this guy for one day when I will kick him. Yeah, he was fear, but this people. I don't know who toss in a big guy phone because they move where. My Samsung no they do like that. The other phones no they do like that. Especially this iPhone 15. Yeah, you go na small money they buy you. Na small money they buy you. Even this iPhone, and they look and say useless like Esther. Because the only thing we if you do now just buy YouTube. Now only YouTube before get level. You know very wrong. Yeah? And on Facebook sweet me pass. Those on YouTube they bring the mating, but Facebook, you understand? So Esther Izobo, lawa ne kwe bwega mwe lawa. Esther Izobo, lawa ne kwe bwega mwe lawa. Ekwe mama gie kiyo lawa ne kwe bwega mwe lawa. Wowa Mama move the oil ladia, message to presenter, and enemy, a Frankie, a napa, a lolo, Basio, a Yoreka, a way do a sale. Wait till come off our body. Nothing. Who carry shame and disgrace bucket for head? Now you. You don't drag God presenter now. You see, I say views not come. Instead, you get more hits. You don't enter air world. What bring your word? Even that your picking account where you they use that build so. Now so you take build all your platform. That is why we must drop her. Also, no must do your boy the 18 man in my feel a page when you when I put you well at the Facebook, and you have fear for the YouTube. Or no guy 30 years. Any day you upload new music or go to the portal, that music no go viral. As you put out, they will start to report. And YouTube unlock music in it. Unlock. All my YouTube channel are all faceless. You know, go even say I'm get faceless content YouTube now they do all of that. 3 YouTube is monetized. You know how much are the car inside? Do you know how much? Wow, when a quick talk show, you know how many people don't try to carry this quick talk show? Here my setting. Quick talk show now. Here they don't try to carry, they don't do. Here my setting. Now maybe queen. Yeah, if they notify me say rat, they shook up for my YouTube or Facebook. Before you know, I'll put my laptop. Me allow me a beleko de soyo. Ya beleko de soyo. Facebook, though, if they want to throw you, they will carry you, go like 300 acres of place. Here, you have few of the land you do. Here, they land you don't. We setting, meow, ya do, meow, to our valley. In short, you're not going to see my platform again for your life. My platform will disappear from your Facebook for anywhere. You know, if they see me again for life. Last week for year, now so I see said that they try to collect my WhatsApp. I just the laugh. Last week, I see said that they try to collect my WhatsApp. Facebook, WhatsApp, they write me say, enemy code is needed. Somebody need my code. Code where they send me the code. WhatsApp send me the code. They got tell me say somebody's requesting for this code. Now say see all this one. Bieka, work where they do for people. Work where teach what they do for people. You won't use and try me. Just they play. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. Person where they America that time. Where say one do me like that. Do you know how much it pay? Mama go brother to bring down my page. Do you know how much they pay? 2 million naira. 2 million naira to bring down my Facebook page. This is the Quintal Show. That boy do. As they do Franco that time for YouTube. Now what it make me call the verse where for Mama go be that. I know say they always talk and say he brother come they show can this time my Facebook. Now make me verse or that one like but now I know the verse or her again. That time the verse or her. Because someone when we where would it be? Oh, why you report me Masabo? Osalo boy you will bless him so well because what do me? Because on my time come my there. You were sending links, sending a lot of things, attacking my Facebook. Now I see they throw you out. You get? Now I see they throw you out. Today now call. I still they use the page. 2 million. Now they pay. Oh my God. You know how many people? Even for this Edo Sabbath, do you know how many people want my page? They succeed? No. Because na me be queen. Mo ebe se o. Mo je school se o. But when your hand is clean, when your hand is clean, emi kerwa o so ba de boba we. All your disgrace again we publicly. Yes. Erun kere we kian na. O so lo boy gbese your way. All your disgrace again we publicly. My people, all say ta idio bowe ye no mama. Esther na ni me wa we gbe na ko no mu ni me lo da bo lo da we. Esther ga da mo gbegbe mo gbohun erun da. Owo meje. A good man they yak bimwage, a good man they yak promoting wage we are or ya dokpa mahin. A rigi winye a copyright yi me page. Then ye na a Facebook. A no Facebook will notify work by a copyright. Igba have a copyright. Igba have a copyright. Then they will know that you are not posting original content. Either they suspend your account or they will off your visibility. While you got a live video, Facebook will show it. Facebook will show it. Not be saying maybe you did live video, 20 people they watch you, 28 people they watch you. Go and check. Not be only me one be person will be say sometimes if I do video, 60 people will they watch this, sometimes 50 people. But if I drop that video, you'll see some views. You'll see 7,000, 4,000, 10,000, 3,000 views. Because me after like as I do video yesterday video now, I know if you go the cross check and get today, see how many views don't they? I know they go. And today or now, I will just see they do they go. Tomorrow, I know when they check how many views my video don't they? No. Tomorrow, and they do tomorrow when they go. Sometimes there are videos where they say if I do one, it go there like 2,000 views. Today now, like today go there 2,000 views. That video after 3 days, 4 days, may they save already 4,000.